This door trim is really rough shape. It's peeling off and there's dings in it. Discoloration, a lot of door dings. I'm gonna restore this, get it looking a lot better. Let's see how this. It's weird, it's just a layer of that reflective underneath the plastic. But in places it's bubbling up. It's a hard piece to get a hold of there. Let's see if I can get a hold of this one. Underneath is just a piece of plastic. I want to work on peeling this off. I don't know if I'm going to have to use possibly a razor blade to cut along that edge really carefully. I'll see what we come up with. Works best in getting this plastic off is using a razor blade and just carefully cutting that off. It's easy to cut down into this plastic. I'm trying to cut off this clear as close as I can. A piece down here too. Piece here also. This one's gonna be difficult. The clear plastic doesn't always come off in one piece. Using a razor blade. Oops. It's soft. The plastic underneath is really soft. I try not to cut it. I'm just going to keep working my way along, checking the top and the bottom for any of that clear plastic or that silver that's left. There's some silver here, but it seems to be stuck actually to this plastic. This has a bunch of bumps in it too. I'm gonna try sanding. They're not very big. Yeah, razor blade doesn't want to cut into them, so I keep moving along here. I made up a small sanding block. This is just 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 by 1 1/4 inches. and this is 400 grit wet or dry sandpaper. Let's see how this does. Like I said, this plastic is kind of soft. I'm thinking maybe they were thinking that the door hit it, it would give a little bit rather than just like denting like this up here. This seems to be some type of plastic too, but it left some nasty gouges in it. The sandpaper does a pretty decent job. Cleans up any discoloration, and it takes those bumps down, but it takes a while to do it. The plan was to paint this silver. I don't know if I'm going to paint it all. I'm going to see how it cleans up. And I may just leave it alone. It's taking those bumps down. You can still see them a little bit. I'm finding that I have to push fairly hard. Not crazy, but it's not like a light sanding. I think it's because this is kind of soft. But I'm going to keep working on this strip, and I'll show you when I'm done. On the sanding block, I stapled each end, but I'm finding that because I'm pushing fairly hard, that it would be best to hold your fingers on each end too, just to help hold that paper. Otherwise, this is starting to tear here, and I'm going to need to replace it. But something that I've learned from doing this. Oh, it's pretty much done. I'm going to need to go over it again. There are a few bumps left, but for the most part it's looking pretty good. And we'll see if I paint it or not. I don't know how this is going to weather. And I mean, originally designed, this was covered with that silver and that clear plastic, so it may not hold up to the elements real well. It'll need a coat of paint on it. I'm gonna go with this for now, see how it weathers. Next will be fixing these door dings in this part of the trim. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.